Dun, 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 dun. It's Friday morning. Friday morning, baby. What's good? We had some momentum yesterday. Stocks going to the moon. Some stocks going up over 500. I think one stock went up like 3,000% or something. I don't even. It was crazy. Yesterday, wild. Today, we're in the trenches right now, my friends. We are battling. I'm red up right now. I'm red, and we got to make something happen. We got to make something happen. I can't walk away this Friday on a red note. So I've got a lot of. I think I've got confidence. I've got confidence we're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna get some action here once the market opens. So I'm not worried about it right now. We'll see what happens. We got CBAT on top of the list right now. The problem with CBAT is just trading really heavy, and you'll see why. You'll see why. SGBX, TATT as well popping up there. A couple stocks moving around right now. TATT has a little less volume than I like to see. I had a short on it earlier and just did not want to sell off, but I ended up taking a little bit of profit there on TATT. I'll show you guys what's going on. So TATT, this thing's kind of just bouncing around. Had a short from the $6 area. Was hoping to get a move down here to the lows again, to the 550, 560 area, and ended up getting just covered there at 590. And look at the P&L on the day right now. Oh, baby. It's not good. I'll explain what happened. First off, ended up getting stuck in a trade on CBAT, and it was not good. So basically, my computer, I went to set up everything this morning. My computer decided to freeze up and stop working. Basically on this trade here, jumping in there at 358 and getting out down there at 330. So CBAT chopping around here, kept trying to buy the breakout, just could not figure out when this thing wanted to break out. It doesn't want to break out with me, basically. Yeah. So I'm gonna put CBAT on the list, but just gotta keep it on the burner, on the side burner right now. No point in messing with it anymore. So we'll see what happens. No shares is short on CBAT for anybody who's worrying about that right now. BOXL just popped up from the 150 area up there to $1.77 now. But yeah, CBAT kind of just stupid this morning on it. Yeah. This is the best part here. I actually jumped in there for the breakout here from this little breakout on CBAT, and I only got filled 20 shares. 20 shares out of 2,000 shares. Oh, that was painful. Only got 20 shares, you can see there, and I ended up getting 27 cents there. So 27 cents on 2,000 shares would have been nice. Would have been real nice. Would have been real nice. JE. Someone's talking about JE. JE is in a good position to buy. I don't know about that. I don't know. I don't really trade stocks that are under $1, so I'm not even going to worry about that one for now. CBAT, again, like, look at it. Bouncing from 320 back up to the 340s, and it's like, oh, it gets you excited. You think it's going to pop, but I'm just going to hold out and wait for this thing to just, like, really start to go stupid. And then maybe look to jump in again, but we'll see what happens. Kind of bouncing around the VWAP right now. The problem with CBAT is it does have a larger float. It has a 29 million share float, as you can see on the Gapper list there. 29 million shares in the float, so a larger float. If it had 9 million shares, I think CBAT would probably be like $8 to $10 right now. It'd be a lot different story, but the larger float is kind of holding it down right now. It's trading a little heavy. And then all of a sudden, it likes to go to the moon. So, like I said, we'll give it a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. See what happens. See what happens here. SGBX. I like to see SGBX get back above that 350 area, really kind of like where that resistance is, maybe 370. Kind of waiting for SGBX get back above 370. It's got a pre-market high so far up there at the 494, almost $5 area. So it's got some room to go still. Got some room to go. You can see here on the 5-minute chart going from $1.50 all the way up there to $5. I couldn't trade it. I can't trade before 7:30 with my broker, so I was just sitting here literally at 7 a.m. watching it go straight up. That was fun. But you can see right now, holding that 313 area. We'll see if this can get back above the VWAP, break above that 370 area here, going into open on SGBX. I like SGBX better than CBAT just because of smaller volume, because of smaller float. SGBX has the 8 million share float. CBAT has the 29 million share float. Those wicks that you're seeing, those big wicks on like CBAT at 8 a.m., those are just orders that are coming through that aren't actually they're not I guess registering or whatever from earlier in the morning. It's still happening. Like you can see some of these older orders coming through there. I don't know why that happens. I guess they're just old orders. Not really sure exactly. I don't want to trade at 4 a.m., that's for sure. Ugh. So again, CBAT pushing back up there to the 360, 350 area. Ugh. Money never sleeps. True that. True that. I didn't get a Dunkin' coffee today. I actually got drinking water today. Trying to get hydrated. Trying to get hydrated over here. It's funny because it's actually a Dunkin' Donuts cup. I don't know where this came from. But yeah, trying to hydrate, baby. Trying to hydrate. I think I haven't heard my neighbors making a noise today, so that's good. If you're just now tuning in, hit that like button, huh? Like button, hit it up. Yesterday was great. I made over $1,000 trading yesterday, so that's pretty much just gonna put me back at even. Put me back at even there after all that. So hopefully we get one big mover today. We just need one big mover, baby. One big mover. That's all we need. No lawn people today. We just need one big mover. Come on, baby. Give it to daddy. Give me one like 500%er. Out of nowhere, you know? Let me just jump in. Let me jump in at $3. Let me sell at jump in at 3. Let me sell at like I don't know. $5, $6, $3 to $6 would be a pretty good trade. I'd be pretty happy. Yeah, $3 to $14 would be even nicer. What was that? That was what stock was that yesterday? Peck? Right? Peck. Yesterday, Peck going from $4 all the way up there to $14.30 high. Wow. Also, NEET yesterday went from like $6 up there to $17. So all I need is just to stay alive, just stay focused here. Just need to stay focused, Patrick. Stay focused. You know? Stay focused. Stay focused and look for opportunities today. That's all we got to do. Yeah, no, Ross made $125,000 today. He definitely crushed it. Uh, I know you're being sarcastic because you're not. You're not. I know you're not long. I know you're not long SPI at 45. Does it even get up there? What'd you do? Buy right at the top? Uh, man, I'm not even reading the chat today. You guys, I'm not doing it. You guys just you guys should just talk to yourselves because I'm not I'm not doing it. Not reading the chat today. Keep your jokes to yourselves. So SGBX this morning, like I said, made a big move from the $1.50 area all the way up there to almost $5, and now it's just been consolidating. This is looking very, I don't want to say it's looking very similar, but it's looking very similar to the SPI move the other day when SPI was just kind of consolidating for the longest time at that $3 area. So fingers crossed here. Fingers crossed that we get a big crazy mover today. I can't. Yeah, that was on what, Wednesday, right? When SPI went absolutely insane. It's crazy because it didn't even happen until the middle of the day. I guess it was just like a major short squeeze at that point. But it didn't, the actual move didn't happen until 12:30. I think TATT might be a better short than a long today. But we'll just give it a little bit of time. It's still kind of light volume on it. Had a little short earlier at the $6 area. Was looking to get that move down to the 550s. It actually ended up spiking back up there to the 650s. So I got covered at a good time there. $224 people watching. Only 50 likes. Let's go. Help me help you. Hit that like button. Let's go. Every time you hit the like button, a puppy gets its wings, or an angel gets its wings, or a puppy finds a home, or something like that. Whatever I gotta say to convince you. Uh-oh. My neighbors are doing, I can hear them doing something out there. Oh yeah. Nice. They waited for me to go live on YouTube, and now they're out there working on stuff. I think they're subscribed to me. I think my neighbors subscribed to my YouTube channel. Got the stock here, LYRA, just went from $11.60 up there to $14 with only 1,000 shares traded. Wow. That's impressive. Lyra, 7 million shares in the float. No news today. If you're just now tuning in, there's the gapper list today. We got CBAT, we got SGBX, TATT, and a couple stocks moving around in there. A couple big losers as well from the last couple days, selling off big. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We're giving a little bit of time. It's only 8:45 in the morning. We'll kind of just sit back here and wait for something to just look real. Like, look at this right now. CBAT again, kind of popping up there. Needs to get a solid breakout. Needs to get up this 370 area, I think would be would get the party going again. CBAT, if we can get over that 370 area, I think it would be primed up for another push up there to the $4 area. I'm still holding NCLH. Correct. Remember, it's a long-term hold. You keep asking me, and I keep telling you it's a long-term hold. I might hold it for the next 10 years. Who knows? When I bought NCLH, it was totally just I'm buying it and holding it forever kind of thing. It wasn't a day trade. No, it's not called a bag holder. That's called buying the lows, selling at the highs. You know? $12,000 shares. Holy crap. You got a lot more than I do. Look at this. CBAT now starting to pop up there. Once again, like it does this, right? It looks like it wants to break out here. It wants to go. And then just get stuck. Getting stuck there at the 350 area again. I mean, if you're in a what's NCLH even trading at right now? I guess I can look on here, huh? I mean, if you're in at 14, you're up $12,000 right now, and you're scared. I mean, and your average is $14. I mean, I might take I would maybe sell some of those shares so you're not scared anymore. Maybe sell enough shares that you're not nervous about it. That might be a good game plan. If you've got a position that's so big that you're scared of it, it might be a good idea to take a little off, you know? You're up $12,000 and you're scared. I mean, you might want to think about taking a little bit of profit. Sell half. You know, let the rest ride at that point. But yeah, I mean, $14, you're chilling. You're chilling right now. I mean, first off, don't take advice from some guy on YouTube who has a YouTube channel. And then also, never take advice from people in the YouTube channel chat. You know? So, yeah. Definitely don't take advice from the guy talking on YouTube. And definitely don't take advice from the people who are talking in the live chat on YouTube while watching the guy who's talking on YouTube. It's like Inception. You know? Don't listen to anyone. Yeah, I mean, I like NCLH long term. Like I said, NCLH once this whole Corona thing gets figured out and once the election's over, I think the world will just get back to normal and there's a lot of potential. I mean, if you're in at $14 or 12,000 shares, imagine NCLH. All they have to do is just go get back to business, right? Just get back to business, and the stock is, if they just get back to normal business, everyday business, the stock's gonna jump. Again, everything that I say on this channel is for entertainment purposes, so don't take this as investment advice. But all they have to do is just get back to normal everyday business, right? And you can see. Back in 2019, this was everyday business. This is when they were just in business, making money, you know. This is $40 area. So you're looking from 14 to the $40 area. I think $40 is very, very conservative, right? So that's all I'm saying. But again, don't do anything I wouldn't do, and definitely don't do anything that I would do. Just don't do anything that I do. Probably the best way to look at it. So here we go. CBAT trying to push up here, 360 again. Oh, I hate it. I don't want to play with it anymore. I don't want it. I don't want to do it anymore. No, no, thank you. Doing the dual live stream again today. We had a high on these candles at the 365 area. So CBAT.
All right.
Here we go. Daddy's on. Daddy's on. Hey, now you guys don't have to leave my live stream because you can just stay and listen to Ross's live stream during my live stream. It's magical.
All right. So using a different camera today, but that's
Here we go.
we've got about 40 minutes to the bell, and CBAT is starting to curl back in weighted average price.
Okay.
Pre-market high of
Okay.
416. It's a continuation stock in the energy sector. So this is the same type of stock from sector standpoint as SPI was EV, but as a number of the stocks yesterday and the day before, PEC, Sun W.
Can you guys hear that good? Can you guys hear it? It's pretty funny. Yeah, we're going to see what happens. CBAT, we got to get this pop.
So we've got a high pre-market. I'll mark out here at 416. And, right now it's just kind of starting to curl up. The high pre-market is 60, or the high of this little pivot is 65. Ultimately, what I would be looking for.
What are you looking for, Ross?
A curling, ascending, increasing volume.
Okay.
75.
We want to get that curl.
And then a break back over 4. I don't know whether or not that's going to happen, but the high right there is 65. So, this is kind of the spot to be watching it closely and seeing how it trades. It's got 23 million shares of volume. So there's 64, 65, 68. So you can see how it's opening up a little bit. That right there constitutes.
I just want to hear Ross say, I got my finger on the trigger. I'm going to buy at 380. I'm in at 360.
So it pulled back.
Come on.
And popped back up. So it wouldn't surprise.
He's going to have 5,000 people buying this stock here pretty soon. Get ready.
A little bit more before it really rips, but I think it's starting to look good. So I'm going to put an order on this one at $4.
No, he's not.
That one's ready to go.
He put an order at 4. I don't believe it.
TPX,
He's buying earlier than that. Watch. He's getting in earlier than that.
Is the second leading gapper up 115%. And I would say at this point, being below the volume weight average price is not great, but if it can break over both.
He put his order at $4. What?
Then that might start to look pretty good. CBAT, you can see it's moving up a little bit more here.
Let's just see. Well, here. Did you eat well? Did you sleep well? Always.
Gapper. It's pretty impressive.
Hey, P-Man.
Going further down the gap scan, TATT. This one had you can see a huge move here. I mean, really impressive from 455, 56, 57, 58, 50, all the way to 975. That was after hours yesterday. Pulls back.
All right. I don't want it. All right. So CBAT, I think, is going to be probably between CBAT, SGBX. And that's really all I'm seeing right now in terms of opportunity this morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, so we got some time still. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. Hit that like button. Help a brother out here. I'm on the soup train this morning. On the bread bus. The bus for free bread. I need some bread. Dollar bills. You're passing up the bass tournament? Whew. I feel honored. CBAT, look at that big buyer there at 365 right now. Massive buyer sitting there at 365 trying to soak it up here. Let's see what happens. Looking a little overextended right now. You know, looking a little overextended right here. See if we maybe get another pullback to the VWAP area. That's what I'll be looking for. That's what I'll be looking for. Patrick, don't forget. Don't blindly. It's good advice. Someone said, Pat, don't forget. Don't blindly. Sounds good. What is... I don't eat. I only eat, sleep, trade. Eat, sleep, trade. Eat, sleep, trade! Yeah, that's all I do. I don't even sleep, though. I just only eat and trade and no sleep. Jason Bond eats, sleeps, and trades. I only eat and trade. No sleeping. No sleeping, people. Only trading. 24 hours a day. Yeah. Eat, trade, fish.
Couple attempts at VWAP, but it didn't hold up that well. PECK, big surprise.
Nothing new over there at the Warrior Trading Camp. Another 12-hour. I need to finally do the 24-hour live stream. 24 hours in a day. So there's CBAT pulling back now. Let's see if it pulls back down into the VWAP area, 335. Keeping an eye on the scanner right now. On the gapper list this morning, we got a CBAT, SGBX, TATT. Pretty much everything we've already talked about. What else? Yeah. Just hanging out. We're just waiting. Just waiting for some action here. Bring on the action. So all I need to open is just one big boner candle, people. Give me one big boner candle. It's all I need in my life. Come on. Is that too much to ask for? I just want one big boner candle. Come on. Come on, come on. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Man, sometimes looking at the clock, it seems like time moves so slow. That time just goes by so slowly. It's so slowly. Spending time with you guys here. CBAT bouncing from 350 back up there, 360 now, 362 pushing up. Let's see what happens here. I think we just need to get over that 370 area in general. Hey! So I don't have to ride the Sea-Doo. Oh, man. Throwing shade at the Sea-Doo, huh? Throwing shade at the Sea-Doo. Ross is not ready to get in yet.
Just want some more.
Not ready, baby.
You can see here how, see, this is kind of a screwed up pattern.
It's a screwed up pattern.
Because
Okay.
the 1 minute is extended off of the $0.50. Right? So it just kind of squeezed up from the $0.50 up to there. So even though the first 5 minute candle making new high says over 70, the 1 minute is saying, wait a second, that's an extended entry. So I'll say, I'm going to watch this for a second.
He's watching it.
Even though it's an extended entry, I'm going to take the long at 70.
Oh, he's in at 70.
Quarter 73.
He's in at 73. He's in at 73. Everybody's buying, buying, buying! Hey, big shout out to my man, Pitts Pilot, coming through with that $20 bill. $20 make you holler. Damn it, Ross is in at 73 right now. Why did we not buy at 73? We didn't really follow the plan here. We're screwing up, people. We're screwing up here. The Ross's pump is happening. And we're not a part of it. Oh my God. Wow. The dump just happened too. Look at oh my God, there's huge seller at 75. Huge seller at 75. Just getting eaten out there pretty quick. I'm going to jump in there, see if we can pop back above 75 here. Getting some good volatility here. Jumping out there at 70. Not liking that we couldn't pop through 75. Just quick. Just doesn't want to go. Something's going on with CBAT, man. Something's going on with this thing. It's popping and it's just dropping over and over. Like, it just doesn't want to go. Over the 80. Looking for over 80 here. I don't even know. Got a terrible fill there at 78. Wow. Good job, Patrick. See if we get a push up here to the 90s. I need a push to the 90s. Lots of pressure coming in here and just not wanting to go, are we? 79. Look at the 80 seller. 780 seller is massive. This thing's done. Fuck. I'm back in over 380. Back in over 380 here. Just can't go. It just can't go. Again, back up to that 380 area. $380 resistance, holding it down right now. It's going to squeeze through right there. I only got a partial fill. Are you kidding me? Oh, my. Look at this price action is terrible right now. This is just bad. Bad, bad, bad. No breakouts. Only fake outs. Look at this thing, just battling right here. $75 buyer sitting there right now, holding it up. And just getting sold into. Again, getting sold. Down to the 70 buyer. Oh my gosh. I hate this stock right now. 3 trades in a row. No breakouts there. Terrible. I gotta stop. I gotta stop trading this stock right now. Down $1,300 on this stock. What the hell, Patrick? I was so excited for today, man. I was like, yesterday was crazy, all those crazy movers, and then today, just duds. Just nothing but duds. Just nothing but duds today. Just straight dudding. Dudding, man. Just straight duds. Just straight duds today. The mowers are here. I can't. Every fucking Friday! Oh my. Oh, it's painful right now. Do 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 do. Just sitting back here waiting, watching. You see the gapper list, CBAT on top of the gapper list right now. We got PPSI kind of moving up the list as well. It's up 25%. And just kind of keeping an eye on CBAT here. Looking for that action to come through here. Looking for it. Did I take Ross's course? No. Did you? Did anybody take Ross's? Anything good? SGBX still down there at the $3 area, just consolidating, going sideways right now. So just keeping it on the radar just in case it open. It wants to just go nuts. We've seen that happen the last couple days, so give it a little bit of time here. Over 3, I'm a buyer over 375 here. Let's see what happens. Man, 100% this move right here, like this move right here, up there to the 389, it was 100%. That was Ross's chat room. 100%. 1,000%. That was Ross's chat room. $100. Look at the volume coming in there too. The sell volume, 533, 900, almost a million shares dumped at 389. So pretty wild. Just watching.
Okay, let's see. What do we got here?
Got a little pity stalker going from 76 cents up there to $1 now. AIHS. Anyone else seeing this? AIHS. This is a mortgage loan broker.
Again, high
25 million shares.
Candle on the 5, which is good.
Yeah, trading with the MACD is pointless on these kind of stocks, just to be honest with you. Pretty much every indicator is pointless when it comes to trading penny stocks, other than the VWAP, I'd say. And maybe like the EMAs. But, yeah. I mean, RSI, MACD, all that. It doesn't work. Because these low float stocks can stay like irrational much longer than any indicator can point that out. You know, like when RSI says that a stock's overbought, like CBAT, the RSI is going to be overbought for like ever, you know? And we've, like the other day when a stock goes up 1,000%, like it's obviously going to be overbought for that entire move. So if you only trade RSI, you're like, oh, well, I'm not going to buy it at $3 when it's overbought, and then it goes to $15. So yeah, I think RSI, MACD, things like that are a lot better on the large cap stocks that actually follow kind of that thought process. Yeah, I think really the reason that indicators work, or the reason that indicators exist in general, is because it's like everyone's using those indicators. So people are looking at stocks that are overbought or oversold, you know, to buy, overbought, you know, stuff like that. So indicators are basically more so like a human thing. Do you ever make money on trading? No, never made any money. I just do this for fun. I just like to do it for fun. I just do it for the likes. Just sitting back here waiting for the market to open here at some point today. Well, at 9:30. Waiting for the market to open at 9:30. No, YouTube doesn't compensate the losses. Man, look at like this stock here, Sun W. Sun W other day got all the way up there to the 850 area. Today it's down there to 282. It's amazing. Nikola down there to $19. Still just bleeding out here. Nikola just bleeding out. You can see the other day $35. Gapping down on Monday. And then continuing to sell, baby. Continuing to sell here. I don't want to say Nikola to zero, but I want to say Nikola's still got a lot more downside to go. How's Givo doing? I haven't even looked at Givo in a long time. Where's he at? 70 cents? 80 cents. Pretty close. It got down there to 70 cents yesterday, so. Givo, what a great investment. Everybody who bought Givo at $2 is now still holding at 80. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good at all. Givo, yeah, Givo going at $15. My ass. CBAT pulling back down there to the VWAP nicely at the 345 area. Probably should have bought that dip there. Seems that buying the dip is a lot better off than Are you really giving advice when you just lost $1.2 thousand? Nah, man. Never. I'm not giving any advice. I'm just here for entertainment. Giving advice. I'm just here entertaining, man. I don't even know. What's the stock market? What is this? What are we doing? What's going on right now? Where am I? I don't even know what's happening. What's happening? GOVX just went up. What is this? A reverse split? Yeah, reverse split here. Going yesterday, price was 25 cents. Today, up there with the $4 area. I mean, just because I lost money doesn't mean I don't know that GVO's crap. You know? Gosh. Where do these people come from? Where do these people come from? I'm putting them in timeout. I got no time. No time for it. Yeah, that's day trading. You make money, you lose money. You make money, you lose money. You make money, you lose money. You know, you just got to make a little bit more than you're losing. Am I happy about CBAT today? No, obviously not. But it is what it is. It is what it is, you know? I'll tell you what I'm not going to do today. I'm not going to let a little bit of red scare me from making a lot more green. You know what I mean? I ain't letting a little bit of red scare me away from a lot of green. GNUS making moves from $1.04 up there to $1.33. I just hate trading these like dollar stocks. I don't know why. Is that weird? It's weird, right? It's weird. It's like a personal thing, man. CBAT there at the 353 area now. Right there at the VWAP. Got about 12 minutes here till the market opens. Waiting for the market to open. Drinking water. I'm drinking water, people. Why are people so weird? Why are people so weird? I agree. SGBX get back above the VWAP. I think just SGBX just get above 370 in general. It'll probably start the party at that point. So just kind of sitting back here, waiting to see what happens. What happens? What happens? No shares are short on CBAT or SGBX. So there's only one way to go, baby. Only one way to go. That's going up, 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 up. So basically, going into open here, we like to see CBAT obviously get above that 390 area. Got a pre-market high at the 416. So looking like it's already starting to bounce a little bit here. We'll see if it gets back above 360 again. Just keep getting these pops and these drops. I'm not touching it. My VWAP is just set at basically the default setting. If you're wondering about my VWAP. My VWAP. There's my VWAP. It's calculating for post and pre-market hours. Did I lose my razor? No. Hey, this is all I want to do. This is all I want you guys to do. Instead of worrying about what's about my beard or what I'm drinking or if I'm drunk or if I'm not drunk, let's worry about the stocks. Let's worry about making some money, you know? Let's talk about making some money today. Less focus on my beard and more focus on making some money.
Highs 70 right there. So now, what I generally am going to do through this type of move is take a little profit and then put a new order.
Ross bought at 350.
1 minute pullback through here. So over 70 will be my new order.
Ross is buying over 70 now.
So I'll let it do a 1 minute consolidation. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. I take a new trade. That way, if it fails, at least I book some profit. And if it goes higher, I sold, then I can add back 67, 68, 70 for the move up into the 80s. So the high of that candle 69.
Woo! Jumped in a little early. We thought we were going to break over 70 there. We're going to break it? Let's go.
Adding a 65.
Pump it, Ross. Pump it. Pump it. Let's go over 70 here. Up to the 80s. Nope. Need more pump. Oh, just cannot pump it. 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 No pump. No break. No pump and break. No break and pump. It's got to go through right here. It's got to go through right here, baby. Through 70. Let's push. Let's push 80. Let's push 80. Let's push 90. Let's go. Let's push 90 on this move. We need to push 90 on it. Not going to push it. Look at that. It just doesn't want to go. Honestly. Just don't want to go here. Look at those buyers just stacking up. Still cannot squeeze through there. It's terrible. Jumping out there. I'm over it. I'm over the stock right now. I'm over it right now. Gonna wait. I guess just not want to go. Just doesn't want to go. Just does not want to go. I love how it like pops from 345, jumps 20 cents, and then just gets stuck. Can't go. It's magical. It's magical, really. Dow futures are down. We're not worried about the Dow, Gary. All we're worried about right now is CBAT going to the moon. Right? Going to the moon here. So we got about 5 minutes until the market opens. Right now, CBAT is the top of the gapper list. SGBX is the other one that we're keeping a close eye on. SGBX, CBAT going into open. We'll see what else pops up on the scanner. And right now, just not getting the move that we're looking for there on CBAT. Good strategy. Buy high, sell low, baby. CBAT pulling back down there to the 350 area now. Ross just could not pump it.
I'm watching down here. I'm going to put an order at 47.
Ross is going to buy at 47.
That's, to me, an irrational sell-off. But we do have only 3 minutes to the bell. I filled 400 shares, 417 shares at 48. It's not a very big fill. Put the order at 417.
All right, Ross is stretching it out.
417.53.
Let's go.
It just got picked up.
Let's go, Ross.
All right, you guys. So 2.5 minutes to the bell. A reminder, if I didn't already say it, day trading is not easy. Here's my
TATT up there to 685 right now. Looking a little overextended going into open here. Can we push above 7? Going into open already. Definitely looking overextended right now. But these stocks have just been going nuts. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just popped 20 cents instantly over 7. That's remarkable. Oh gosh. Are you kidding me right now? Wow. TATT going nuts. Absolutely nuts right now. Absolutely nuts right now. Pre-market high is 855 here on TATT. Up there to 760. Watching everything going into open here. Got about a minute and a half till the market opens. It's going to the moon. Let's see. We got about a minute. SGBX selling off. CBAT selling off. Watching TATT just going from 620 up there to 760 in a matter of minutes. Look at that. That's the boner candle, baby. That's the boner candle if I ever seen one. I don't know about you guys, but this thing is looking primed and ready for takeoff here at open. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Primed and ready. Looking primed and ready. Looking for a pullback to the $7 area here at open. Looking for $7 area at open on TATT for a pullback. Got about 20 seconds here. There are shares of short here on this thing, but I don't want to get the shorts have been getting hammered lately. Shorts are not going to get hammered. Okay. If you say so. There we go. Market is now open. TATT pulling back $7 now. Look at that. Spread. 40-cent spread. I couldn't even buy at 7 if I tried. CBAT pulling back. TATT pulling back to 7. Washing hard here. I'm going to try to grab it for a little washout. A little back above $7 here. Popping back up there. $7.20. There we go. Nice little, I think that was $300. What we get? Yeah, $356 there on TATT for the washout down to the $7 area. Just like I called it out before it happened. Before it happened. CBAT looking for a break over 375 here on CBAT now. If it percolates here for a minute. SGBX is done, dead, not going anywhere. So let's see. CBAT, can we hold this 350 area? Spike up there above 375. Get the party going again. Percolating here out the VWAP right now. It's got to hold. I think that VWAP area, if it can't hold, it could be deadly. It could be deadly here. Keeping a close eye on the scanner, see if anything else pops up. Don't you worry, my friends. BOXL kind of moving around right now. Already pulling back there. TATT down there to the 670. Dropped a full dollar from that 760 area. Now trying to pop back up. Let's see what happens here. Lots of movers right now. CBAT keeping a close eye on. Keeping, looks like CBAT's done. TATT popping back above 7 now. This thing's very spready right now. Very spready. I'm very, I don't know. I'm on the cautious side. I'm on the cautious side of it. I'm erring on caution, I guess I should say. Maybe back over back over 720 could be interesting here. Ooh. SGBX, CBAT all getting crushed right now. Everything getting crushed except for TAT is about to get crushed as well here, it looks like. Trying to see if anything else is popping up. CREG just popped up on the scanner here. CREG going from 290 up there to 310 now. ENDP, also another one that's kind of popping up on the scanner. But looking like CREG up there to 326 now. We got 2 million shares in the float. This is a Chinese recycling energy company. Some news coming out this morning about the stock, I guess. So let's see what happens. TATT, I think TATT back above $7 could get another squeeze going, kind of bounce off that, hold that VWAP area. If we can hold that VWAP for long enough, squeeze up there above 7, I think it'll be a pretty good opportunity above 7 again. Everything else is just getting murdered right now. Anybody got anything? Don't be afraid to point out if anything gets moving, you know? I won't be mad if you tell me that there's a hot stock. PEC, P-E-C-K, halted here. Going from 655 up there to 714 right now. You can see CBAT down there to the $3 area. SGBX. TATT not holding the VWAP right now, so selling off down there to 650s. CREG up there to 340 now. Still pushing as well. 340 pushing on CREG. I'd like to get more volume on this. Only 500,000 shares traded so far, so got to be careful. Could be a little fake out here. Don't want to get caught in a dump. You can see it just dumped from 343 down there to basically 325. So a 20-cent pullback there. Not always a good thing to see. We got PEC, P-E-C-K, halted right now. That was halted at 9:34, so that'll reopen in 5 minutes at the 9:39. 9:39. So we still got about 4 minutes here to see if anything else is popping off. TATT looking real done at that point. CREG trying to push back up that 1 minute candle. You can see kind of just getting topped out right there at 343 now. Oh man, I was getting excited for a minute. I was hoping that TATT buying that dip there, I was gonna get a push, like make a new high up to the $8 area. That would have been, whew, that would have been nice. That would have been real nice. That would have been real nice, real super nice, real super nice. CBAT 310 trying to push back up now below the VWAP. Got a lot of resistance. No shares are short on these stocks. CREG pulling back there. So it looks like we're going to keep a close eye on PECK here. PEC. Is this what it did the other day too? Did it get, when it got halted, did it, yeah, I'm trying to see, like, it was basically right out of open, right? Yeah, kind of, huh? So yesterday, PECK went from $3 up there to $14. Let's see if we can get something similar today, huh? That'd be nice. You only got 1.7 million shares in the float here on PEC, so we'll see. My VWAP's off? I don't think so. Is it? SPI halted. Going from 930 up there to 10. TAT trying to push back up here above 7 again. We got MOBL halted as well. MOBL, guys. MOBL from 620 up there to 667. MOBL, let's take a look at the float really quick. MOBL has a 103 million share float. And the news today, I don't really see anything news-wise. Just some pump articles. That's kind of scary. 103 million share float getting halted there. It's kind of suspect. I wouldn't get too excited about that move coming out of that halt. I don't know about you guys, but 103 million shares in the float. I'm thinking that there's a lot of uphead, a lot of supply there. So basically, SGBX, CBAT all selling off. We've got PECK now getting ready to reopen here. It should reopen in about 14 seconds. Well, no, it'll reopen it at 39.14. So, morning. You guys are a little late if you're saying morning. We've been going hard since 8:30 this morning. Keeping an eye on all the hottest stocks that are moving. We got MOBL, SPI, and PECK halted. PECK halted. Let's see what happens here when PECK reopens. If it starts to go crazy. Only 400,000 shares traded, so little interesting. I'd like to see it get back above that halt level, the 715 area, before jumping in there. Yeah, maybe just be a total fake out. PECK pulling back here. Looking to see if it wants to go or not. Over 7. Just no action coming in right now on PECK, on PEC. See if it just kind of holds this 660 area and then starts to squeeze again. Starting to push up here. Looking tempting. Got my finger on the trigger. PBSI popping up on the scanner. Keeping a close eye here on PECK. If this thing starts to go. Got PPSI from 226 up to 244. TATT down there to 620 now. And looks like Peck ain't gonna go anywhere. Ain't going nowhere. PECK here. Got MOBL still halted. SPI reopening here out of the halt from going up to 1070, pulling back now. So we had a couple stocks that got halted this morning, and all those stocks just kind of sold off. SPI right now at the $10 area here. Bouncing off the VWAP there. It's not a, I don't think it's a terrible trade here. I'm going to try to jump in, see if we can't get a squeeze up here on SPI. Up above 1010 here. Just need those buyers to keep coming up. Squeeze it up here. Looking for 1030 minimum on this. It's got a bit of a spread, obviously. $10.30 getting touched there. Taking a little bit there. $10.27 looking. I'm going to take it there at $10.27. Just too slow. It's getting too slow there. Below $10.30. So I'm going to lock it down. Another $197 there. We're getting back to green, baby. I told you we were going to do it. Look at that. We're going to do it today, boys and girls. We're going to battle it back here live on YouTube. We're going live on YouTube. Making the money on the YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. SGBX popping back up there from the 255 area. Let's see. Let's see. PBSI now up there to 258. Squeezing up there from 240 now to 258. GNUS as well, squeezing up from $1.16 up there to $1.38. Waiting to, I need something hot, you know? Ooh, I need something hot here. Where's something hot? Sun W just got halted to the downside, looks like. That's not fun. Where'd that one stock go? MOBL. MOBL. This is the stock that got halted. MOBL got halted. Like I said, it's got 100 million shares in the float. So I wasn't too excited about this one getting halted because it's just too big of a float, I think, to really go vertical. You're looking for like 1 million shares, 2 million shares kind of max. You know, maybe 10 million shares on the top side for something to really just get crazy. JE going down, getting hammered there. Sun W halted to the downside. SPI, look at that. Top ticking. I got out there at 1027. The high on that candle 1030 was just I was hoping for maybe like one more squeeze up there. The kind of $11 area I think was very possible. Just could not get through that 1030 seller. So we pull them back. Sunworks getting delisted? Is that what really is happening? What about the idea of buying a put at the money or in the money, like when TATT spikes up? You can do that. There probably isn't. I don't think there's. Are there options on TATT? I don't think there are. I don't think there's options on TAT. Wow. CBAT getting hammered right there from 310, getting murdered down there to 250. Wow. Where'd the momentum go, man? Come on. I swear to God. I swear to God that every day, whenever I don't trade, it's just like everything goes crazy. And then when I go and trade, it's like the market just totally shits on. Just takes a shit. Can't. Just want one big mover, man. Just want one big mover. Come on. I need it right now. I need a big mover. Let's go. Freaky Fridays. We're Freaky Friday in. You're down big on CBAT, Walker? Come on. No. Don't tell me that. Come on, man. If you're wondering, the stocks that have been gapping up this morning, if you're just now tuning in, those are the stocks that we're kind of, I wouldn't say focused on, but we're definitely keeping a very close eye on those stocks. So that's what's popping off right now. Nothing else really looking too hot right now. A couple stocks kind of moving around, but we need more volume across the board here. We got here GLNG, natural gas. It's got an 83 million share float. So again, big float, not too excited about it. Everybody got molested by CBAT today. Hey, it's okay, guys. I'm here with you, you know? I'm also red on CBAT. I got so chopped up on CBAT, it's stupid. And what's crazy is, like, look at my other trades. Green, but CBAT just I couldn't just not touch it, you know? I was just, oh gosh. And the best part is I got filled only 20 shares there at 350, and it went all the way there to the $4 area, and I only got 20 shares. It's called bad luck. I got full fills on all the bad trades, but got only 20 shares on the good trade. Whoopsies. Hey, look, there's a stock called BCAT. It's kind of like CBAT, but just they switched around the first couple letters. GNUS from $1.34 up there to $1.42 now. Keeping an eye on the scanner here. Sun W getting murdered right now down there to 220 from the $3 area. And TATT looking weak here. I like to see maybe a pop back up to the 650 area for a short. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 500 shares short here at the 612. And then try to add some more up here, 650 area. And see if we can't get a sell-off down here to the 550s. If your PC crashes in the middle of the trade, will it terminate the trade or keep going? It'll just keep going, baby. Keep going forever. Just keep going forever. It'll never stop. The trades never stop. The market waits for no one. No man, no child. Looking for a break through $6 here on TATT. See if we can get it. I think we're going to get it. I only got 500 shares. Was hoping to add some more up here, like in the 640, 650 area. I might still get a chance. We'll see. Little pop back up to the 630s now. Looking for a little bit more like 640 area to add into. Got SGBX trying to push back up at the 280, 290 area now. Yeah. If you start losing money on a trade, just pull the plug on your computer. Just gets you right out, baby. Just pull the plug, walk away. Just SGBX going from 270 right now up there to almost $3, pushing to 3, looking like it might want to get halted here. What are we thinking? SGBX get above the VWAP, start to push. Think it's possible? I'm thinking it's possible. Let's see. We need some action, baby. Looking for TATT to get below $6 here at some point. SGBX pushing up there to the 315 area, right into the VWAP right now, running to that resistance. So a little hesitant buying it right now. So I'm giving it a little bit more time before getting long if I was going to get long there. And looking for TATT to make the next leg down here. Next leg should put us down here. I'd say we'll get down to the 550 area. Getting propped up right now at the 610s. NCLH up 9%. You got 12,000 shares. You should be rich right now. Let's see if we can lose this 610 support right now on TATT and get down there below 6. Still totally fine. I only added 500 shares because I'm expecting maybe one more stupid pop up here. SGBX up there to the 320 now. Looking a little bit better action-wise. Take another short there at the 620 on TATT. Still looking for that breakdown below $6 here. Got an average of 614 now. I like to see SGBX is going right now. Next halt level's at 359, so waiting to see what happens here. Thinking we need a bit of a pullback. Need a little bit more of a pullback here. We got a lot of resistance in this area on SGBX at the 340s, so we'll see what happens if it gets up there to that 340 area, if it gets denied or not. TATT just being stubborn right here. She wants to go. She wants to get going here. If you look at the daily chart here on SGBX, look at the gap up. Look at the gap in the chart here, all the way down there to the $4 area. So, interesting. Need to get some downside here. I like to get below 610 here on this next couple candles, just to show that the bears are losing strength here. I'm watching that 630 area. Still think as long as we're below the VWAP, this thing's a short. So I'm going to add again there at the 37 if I get filled. Did I get filled? No. I don't think I got filled. They must have taken that back on me. Shorted again there at the 650s. Looking for this to stay below the VWAP, so 660 area, my final stop. Like I said, the whole plan was to add into that push higher. We got buyer stepping up, but it's not going anywhere, so that's good. See that 640 area hold resistance-wise. There we go. Back below 630. Looking for a break. Break to the downside here, baby. It's coming. Get below $6. It's going to be beautiful. Like to see that break below 610 here. I'm going to take it right there just to lock it down at the 6. Don't want to get stuck in some stupid bounce back up. So that puts me up $395 on TATT short there. And there it goes, down there to the 590s. God, I don't know why I look at the chat. I don't know why I look at the chat. I honestly don't know. When I do live streams, I'm just not going to look at the chat anymore. I don't want advice from anybody. You know? When I'm in the trade, I don't want to hear anything. I don't want any advice. I don't want any advice from anybody. So currently we're down $328 on the day. It's crazy. Look at my P&L. Oh my fuck! I just blew a fucking brain. Oh my fuck! 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 Oh my God. Like, why do I ever listen to anyone in the fucking chat? Literally, why? Like, why do I even read the chat? This is why I don't do live streams. This is why I don't do live streams. This is why I don't do fucking live streams. Because I don't want to fucking hear what anyone has to say. I don't give a fuck about what anyone has to say. God fucking damn it, man. I swear to fucking God. It's like, listen, you guys are here. You're here to watch me trade. So why the fuck does anyone try to tell me what to do, it's like, why? Why? I'm just going to turn the chat off. That's what I'm going to do. It's no more chat. Just turning off the chat. I'm turning off the fucking chat. So over it. Every fucking Warren Buffett on YouTube. Like everybody's fucking Warren Buffett on YouTube. Everybody's fucking Warren Buffett. Literally. It's not fucking paper trading. What the fuck? I can't. I just can't. I just can't anymore. I can't deal with these. I can't deal. I'm not live streaming anymore. I'm not fucking live streaming anymore. I'm not live streaming. I'm literally not live streaming anymore. I'm done. I'm going to trade. I'm going to do recap videos. And I'm going to do what I'm supposed to do every day. You know, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to, oh my God. Literally. This thing just dropped $1. Like, every single person who said anything about the trade on TATT, every single person, like, listen, just go ahead and fucking just punch yourself in the face because you're fucking a moron. Like, I don't want to fucking hear anybody come at, literally don't want to listen. I don't want to listen to anybody. It's so fucking stupid. It's not, I didn't get fucking lucky. Like, what are you talking about? How is this getting fucking lucky? The stock was under the VWAP. Look at the last time it hit the VWAP. It got stuffed. Look at the last time it got trapped. Like, what the, like, don't, oh my God. It's fucking mind-blowing. It's fucking mind-blowing. Oh, I'm so pissed right now. What are you talking about? They're not, my fucking entries were not, I told you. I said I was going to add and add up till the VWAP. Did I not say that? Did I not fucking say that? It's fucking retarded. Oh my God. Dude, like, fuck, like, listen. Again, like, and you're still arguing me. Why the fuck are you still arguing me? Like, why are you even here? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, literally, what the fuck is that guy talking about? I'm so over it. I'm literally so over it. So fucking over it. I literally said before the trade, I said, guys, I'm gonna add 500 shares up into this area. I'm gonna add 500 shares up into this area. Like, retarded. It's literally fucking retarded. Oh my God. Like, everybody just, like, why did, like, I just don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, I know. It's not that I take advice, but this is what happens. This is what I do, is I get into a trade, and I'm like, out of the corner of my eye, I can see the chat. And when everybody's like, oh, don't do that. Oh my God, it's gonna squeeze. When everybody's like talking about the opposite of what my thesis is, I'm like, fuck, like, in my head, I'm thinking, what am I doing? You know, like, what am I doing wrong? That's literally what it comes down to. It's just bad. It's not that I listen to him. It's not that I'm listening to him. It's literally just because it's just so frustrating. Like, it's just so frustrating. So crazy. Oh. Just can't anymore. There's literally no point in doing live streams. I didn't lose. I made money on the trade. I fucking made money. But this is the way I look at it. I covered here with my whole game plan. This thing's going to break below 6. Right? It's going to break below 6. Got all the way down there to 7,560. That's a full, oh my God. So stupid. Literally. Why? Like, oh my God. CRSR. What is going on with this thing? CRSR. This is Corsair Gaming. Why is this popping up so big right now? It's up 13%. It's got a 10 million share float. Interesting. Just don't. I mean, I'm not mad about, guys, I don't give a fuck about money. It's not that I care about making money, losing money. Like earlier I was down, what, $1,000 and I was fine. That's not the fact. It's the fact that I don't know why I do these live streams, because I know that it isn't good. It's not good for my trading. Like, I know it's entertaining, you know, I know it's fun, but it's not good for my trading. It's a personal thing, right? I just know personally that it's not good. This is why I stopped doing live streams, because I know that it just isn't good. It's not good. That's all it comes down to. SYPR. I don't know if it's going to the moon. It's pulling back right now from the 180s back to the 160s. And, oh, yeah. Oh, man. Patrick, emotional trade. I'm just like turning it off. I'm just not even looking anymore. I can't see anything you're saying. I just closed out the chat, so it doesn't matter. You can say whatever you want. I'm just sitting here looking for something. Right now, CBAT, everything, SGBX, all getting crushed. Looks like pretty much across the board. TATT, SGBX, CBAT, everything just getting murdered right now. So SYPR from $1.80 back down to the $1.55 area. Just getting murdered. I wish there were shares of short on PEC, but there's not. What's that noise? Why does that thing always make... I don't know why my computer makes noise sometimes. Oh, what a frustrating day. So frustrating. Super frustrating. Really frustrating. Insanely frustrating. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just close it out there. I'm down $328 on the day. CBAT just chopped me to pieces pre-market. Really stupid. Just bad trading there. I was just really aggressive. Thought that we were going to finally get some momentum after yesterday. Thought we had some big movers yesterday. CBAT. I actually got one good trade on it. I got one good trade. I got in there at the 350 break. Jumped in at 350. I only got filled 20 shares. Only 20 shares out of 2,000 shares. And you can see it went all the way up there to the 420 area. So just some stupid stuff today. And then I had issues with my computer there. And just, it is what it is. It is what it is. So TATT down there to the 530 here. This thing's going, it's just going to get murdered. It's going to go, it's closing below 5 today. Just go ahead and put money on it, right? Just go ahead and put money on that one. It's closing below 5. Oh, God. Nothing else popping up on the scanner right now, so yeah, I think it's probably a good time just to walk away, Patrick. Walk away. Walk away. It's just time. It's so much nicer doing the live stream without looking at the chat box. That is much nicer, actually. I might just do that from now on. Just no more chat boxes. Then I can't talk to you guys. So that's, you know, it is what it is. I don't know. It is what it is. Nothing's popping. Where's the popping at? Let's go. It's popping. Nothing. Across the board. SYPR back down there to $1.40 now. So Yeah, I don't like MOBL's up here. It's up 19%, but I don't like it. It's got a 100 million share float, so I think it's. Hey, the gamers, you just got hit. You're not. None of your messages are ever gonna go through again. So you literally just go, just get out. Just like, gosh, listen. If I was, I don't know, if I was a normal person, and I don't know, if I had a life, if I had a life in general, like the last thing I'd be doing is spending time on YouTube. Just I don't know. Last time spending time on YouTube live chats and talking. I guess when you live in your mom's basement and you don't have anything going on. There's nothing else to do. I understand. I get it. I get it. It's lonely in your mom's basement. The good thing is I might be red on the day. $300 down, probably after commissions. Probably a $500 red day. I might be down $500 in the day. But the good news is it's Friday. I've got a beautiful weekend planned out. I got the beautiful weekend planned out here. Actually got a room down in Miami Beach, on the beach. Got some beautiful women. It's gonna just be a nice little staycation. Just getting away from the house for the weekend. That's pretty funny, actually. There we go. I'm not making fun of my friend. I'm not making fun of my fans. I'm making fun of the people who come onto the YouTube live stream and sit here all day trying to just like troll everything. I get it, it's fun, whatever. Like that's your entertainment. But oh, Jonathan Guzman, buy the dip. Huh. Sounds bad. Not taking advice from that guy. Definitely not taking advice from that guy. What are y'all looking at? Look at that. TATT, guess where it's at? 520s. That's gonna haunt me. That's gonna haunt me, man. What's this? SBE up there at 1390. What's the float on it? 31 million shares in the float. This is a acquisition company. So ChargePoint, Switchback Energy. Looks like they've got an agreement. Electric Vehicle Charging Network, Switchback Energy Acquisition Company have signed a business combination deal. The combination value is a trend with 20 enterprise value upon. So what does that put the price of the stock at? It's always a good question. 13 billion, 3 billion, 5 billion. Approximately 1475. How'd you do the math on that so good? How'd you do the math on that? You got the Rainmaker over there. I like an SBE over 1370 here maybe for a break up to the 14s. We'll see if it gets up there. I'd like to see more volume on it though. Volume kind of light right now. We got a natural born Rainmaker in the house. Ooh. Let's see, SBE having trouble. Looking a little slower than I like. CREG pushing again. This thing, did he get halted earlier? CREG going to the moon right now. Looking at resistance. Got $4 coming up there, whole dollar. And then really after that, like 480 resistance there on the daily chart. I feel like it's still like, I want a little bit, I don't know, more of a pullback here. Just want more of a pullback here. Just wants to go though. A little bit of a spread too, a little bit of like 5-6 cent spread on this thing. Looking a little spready. Let's see. Push over 375 maybe here and squeeze up there to 4. Got a halt level at 425. She's going for that $4 break. Looking at CREG right now. CREG up there to the 390 area. Looking for some type of like dip here. She's going for that $4 break. Just gonna go. Not gonna dip at all. Halt level's at 437 after that. I'm gonna grab it there at 388. See if we can't just get a spike up there to the 4s. This thing just being really, really strong right now. Now that I say that, I'll pull back. Huh. Classic. Give it a second here. Think we can balance off the 370s. Classic. There's the pullback I was looking for. Looking for that bounce. We gotta bounce 360s. Trying to get this push up there above $4. Terrible entry. Thought we might just go right for a halt. See what happens on this candle. We need to squeeze. Need to get going here. Oh my God. Patience, Patrick. You gotta have patience. You gotta have patience, you know? I knew this thing was gonna pull back. Why? Like, why jump in there? $350 is my final stop here on CREG. See if we can bounce off the VWAP there. Just does not want to go here. Terrible, 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 terrible. Terrible. Let's see if we can get a squeeze up here. Got to kind of do it. We just got to do it here. Back over 70. Try to squeeze up. Mm. 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 Wow. Just cannot hold. CREG gone. Looking for some type of pop back up in the 50s here. She's done. Woo! 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 That was fun. I love it. Nice. Six. Oh, God. Sometimes I just hate day trading. That's what it is. I just hate it. Just sitting here. It's just sitting here. We're just going to sit here and see what happens. Why? God, that was so stupid. TATT down there to 515 now. So anybody else, anyone who's holding a short, congratulations. You got paid big today. You got paid. Thinking trading with 10K, take little shots. What do you think? I mean, it doesn't really matter about how much money you have. You can trade with 1,000, 10,000. I mean, I wouldn't really worry about the money. Gary. Look at this thing. TATT just getting murdered right now. God, look at it. Just getting murdered. 519 now. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're so beautiful. I just want you to know that you're my baby girl. No trades. Yeah, no worries. Not much else moving, so I'm gonna go ahead and I guess just walk away with the loss, and not try to grow the loss bigger. So, that CREG trade, that's painful. That's terrible. That's just terrible. Real terrible. Real bad. Real bad. All right. Yeah. So, hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did today. I hope so.